some wine glass charms. I got the wine glass from the Dollar Tree. I got the wine glass charm holder thing from Amazon, and a bag of, and you see who this is, from off of somebody on Facebook. I'm not quite sure who had those for a while. So you also gonna need some pins, some jewelry pins that you attach beads to. And they have different ones, but today we're gonna use the one that has like a little hoop at the end. They have some that has just like a flat end, but when you use those, it's gonna come right through. When you use the one with the little hoop, oh, he upside down. The one with the hoop, he stays on. So we're gonna use this one, and we're gonna use some tools. I have one that has like a needle nose. It's like small. I don't remember. I don't know where that's at. I could order another one, but I wanted to show you this before Christmas get here for everybody that's having Christmas parties. So you just put this on there, and I'm just going to do it with my hand. You're just going, oops, if I had the tool, it wouldn't happen. But I'm going to put this over, and I'm just going to roll this down, bend it down. But I'm going to hold this part with this so it could be still. So I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to wrap it. So now it's going to be wrapped like that. So I'm still going to hold this. I'm going to wrap it like 2 times with my hand like this. So it's wrapped, but it would be a little bit neater if I had the correct, oh, I did it the wrong way. If I had the correct tool. So I wrapped it this way. You see this pointy piece right here? We're going to use the wire cutter. Cut away from you because these things pop and you don't want it to pop in your eyes. So I'm just going to turn away. Well, I won't put my hand over it so it won't fly. But you see how I got it? I'm just going to push it up so I can get it close to the end like that. So I'm just going to cover my hand. And did you hear the snip? And that's right here. Yep. Right there. So here goes the charm. And if you feel a little sticky piece come out, if you feel it when you rub your hand across it, you can just smush it down like that and it will fix it. So I'm just going to attach this to the wine glass. And it's a cute little decoration for your Christmas party. And we're going to do another one real fast for you. Again, you're going to use one with the little hoop. Let me open the bag to get some more. Get another one. And we're going to make sure he's in the right direction. Take one of your wine charm holder blanks. We're going to use this to hold the little hoop at the bottom so this won't be moving when I wrap it around. So I'm just going to bend it down with my hand. And I'm just going to twist it like so. And yes, it's going to go back on there easily. Like that. So we're going to just put it back on there. Like that. And if you see the little hoop right there, but I'm going to hold this again. I just wanted you to see the hoop. And I'm just going to twist it around. Wait a minute. Put it back on there. Let me hold this real fast. I want to untwist it real fast. I untwisted it. So I'm going to put it back on there. I'm going to twist it down. Keep that up there. I'm going to twist it with my finger. Like so, like that. And with this little piece again, it's sticking up. So I'm just going to get as close as possible. I'm going to cover my hand so the little piece won't fly. And I only got one wine glass up here. So I'm just going to attach this to the same wine glass, and you'll see the other one. Thank you for watching.